fixing the primitive problem on this ancient bicycle from primitive, ancient, medieval times. There's a lot of chivalry involved here. Chivalry is not dead.
The pneumatic tire came from Scotland.
Scotland?
Land of the free, home of the brave.
Freedom!
Yeah, that's right. Mel Gibson was there inventing the pneumatic tire in 1888. Mel Gibson should make an epic movie about the invention of the pneumatic tire, actually.
Yeah.
And how it was a triumph of Scotland.
Oh, does he just try to... Was Jesus from Scotland?
Jesus was not from Scotland, although according to a hymn, Jesus did in fact visit the British Isles.
That's
And
reasonable.
Then
you
India?
know,
Jesus
yeah.
visited India?
Supposedly, that's what my cult told me back in when I was joined the cult.
You were in a cult?
Yeah.
I was in a kind of cult.
I was in a sort of a cult too.
Hey, cult.
Are we in a cult now? Is Andy our
Oh, but
cult
this is a
leader?
good cult.
Yeah.
We all worship Andy in the bike church.
Hold this.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Not that. Hold this.
Yes.
And the light.
Ooh, this is a thing.
Yeah, I mean,
People are here.
Yeah, I know. It's
Man,
like,
you've got this
this place is over, man.
camcorder.
Everybody knows about it now.
oh wait, that was
Put it
just
on thinner
video
than that.
being-
That's what I always tell the kids. You know what I do? I spread it out with the back of the tube.
I was
With the
using
back of
my
the
tongue.
blue tube.
I was using my tongue.
No, just to use your tongue. That's a better idea.
Uh-oh, David, you're losing points quickly.
Look at all this glue. It's way too much glue on it. Okay.
This is a huge. Look how big this patch
I know.
is.
Okay.
Come on.
You guys are worse than my parents.
We are your parents.
But anyways, this guy walked in and was like, what the fuck? I could go home and get my 32. You would all be out of here. And like kept saying that, and I was just like, holy shit, dude. Like, I really hope this guy doesn't come back with his 32 or whatever.
You know the crazy thing is that there's only one documented case of okay, there's two. Persons of color going on a shooting rampage. Only two. And one, the guy was defending himself. He's a Cambodian guy. He
Oh, that was in the
war.
woods in Michigan or
Yeah.
something. Yeah.
No. It was in
There was that
it was
one.
in Washington State.
That's
he
three.
killed 5 guys who were armed. They were armed too. He killed the 5 of them.
With a hunting rifle.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
But they
remember
were
that.
armed too. So he had opposition. And
Yeah.
I'm saying this guy's badass.
I mean, that dude knew how to survive. Man.
Yeah, well,
He was having a...
Yeah.
He knew how to shoot the other guys before they shoot you. you know?
Oh, that's like...
And then there's the DC sniper.
Right, yeah.
Son. That's it.
Wait, son.
That guy too.
Yeah, I was
Okay,
Snipers were
tech guy, three
Yeah,
persons of color. Other than that, it's all white folks. White folks, they the killers.
He was finished.
A couple weeks ago. Serial killers you can think of, all white.
You ever light the glue on fire to speed up the drying
Some of
process?
the kids at Bikeworks think that's a cool idea. I think it's a fun idea, but I think it probably makes it not work.
Hey Ben, can I tell you, I did not have time to even write the date on the stupid sign.
Yeah, I noticed. I had to kind of guess which the order.
Do you know how insane my life was right then?
That was a busy class.
He didn't have his star balance. And he could do it. Yeah.
Yeah, Ricky, you did that at 40th Street. I mean, like, when there'd be like 4 kids there, you still wouldn't write a date or an hour.
You know, the other day Ben said something about, oh, Andy, you'll curse my name. And I said, no, Ben, I'll never curse your name unless you change your name to Ricky Perez.
He said he'll never curse my name unless I change it to Ricky Perez.
No, we missed...
emails that are just pure hatred.
Vindictive. Good to say vindictive. Yeah.
Ben wrote me an email the other day, and it was one line. It said, Ricky, I hate you. Your only purpose in life is to make my life difficult.
I was
a living hell.
a living hell.
Not difficult, a living hell.
I was sitting next to Ben when he wrote that. But you
Right
know
back, I
what?
hate you. You also wrote back an email that said, fuck you, in big red letters. That filled my entire screen.
And so not only did Ricky like express that sentiment in English, but knew how to do the HTML to make it appear giant and red.
It's
I was
just
very,
in Thunderbird, you just select the font and the color.
I don't know. Man.
Oh,
So we could hurt myself. And
oh, by turkey.
The river's really beautiful this time of night. I didn't want to miss it.